All right, let's get right into it. Today we're talking about a really cool new system called DocETL, and the whole idea behind it is pretty simple, but actually really powerful. It's about teaching AI to, think before it starts writing, especially when things get complicated.
So, look, AI models, or LLMs, are getting incredibly good at just reading text. You and I see it every day. But let's ask the real question here. Can they truly understand what they're reading? Can they grasp all the context, the nuance, all the little details that are buried inside hundreds of pages of messy, real-world stuff like this?
And that question, well, it brings us straight to what you could call the large language model's big blind spot. I mean, these things are brilliant, no doubt, but they really start to struggle when they step out of the simple stuff and into the messy, complicated real world.
Think about it. Give an LLM a short, simple task, and it's amazing. But what happens when you ask it to analyze, say, a 500-page legal document or a super dense police report? Well, the performance just drops off a cliff. It starts to miss things, it gets confused, and the accuracy, it just plummets.
So, why? What's going on here? Well, for one, the document might just be too long for the AI's memory. That's what we call the context limit. Or it can get totally sidetracked by details that don't matter, kind of like when we skim something too fast. And the biggest one? It often just fails to see the big picture. It literally forgets what it read on page 5 by the time it gets to page 500. To really see this problem in action, let's check out a real-world example. The researchers who built DocETL decided to tackle a task that sounds simple but is actually incredibly hard: analyzing police misconduct reports.
The user's goal seems pretty straightforward, right? You just tell the AI, hey, for every cop involved in this case, pull out any instances of misconduct. Easy. You expect to get back a nice, clean, accurate list.
So yeah, the expectation is a perfect list. But the reality? Whoa. What the LLM gives back is an incomplete mess. It misses some officers completely, and sometimes it just makes stuff up. That's the phenomenon we call hallucination. Not great. Okay, so how in the world do we fix this? Well, this is where DocETL comes in. And the really brilliant insight here isn't just trying to build a bigger, better AI model. No, it's about creating a smarter process. The best way to think of DocETL is like an AI producer. You're the director, right? You have the big, high-level vision. But the producer? That's DocETL. It takes your vision and breaks it down into a super detailed, step-by-step plan that the actors, the LLMs, can actually follow without messing up their lines. So here's how that smart plan actually gets made. First, you give it your simple one-step goal. Then, DocETL's own AI agents look at your goal and the document you gave it. Then, they automatically rewrite your simple request into a much more detailed multi-step strategy. And only then is that smarter plan handed off to the LLM to execute. And the result? It's just way more accurate. So let's peek inside the agent's playbook. How does DocETL automatically come up with these better plans? Well, it's all about using a set of really clever strategies.
The paper calls these rewrite directives. For instance, there's data decomposition. That's just a fancy way of saying it automatically chops up a huge document into smaller, bite-sized pieces. There's duplicate resolution, which is smart enough to figure out that J. Smith and Officer Smith are probably the same person. And my favorite is called gleaning. It actually uses one AI to double-check and improve another AI's work. It's like a built-in fact-checker. So, for instance, instead of just telling the AI to read this entire dense report all at once and getting confused, DocETL might create a plan that says, okay, first, split this report into 5 sections, next, summarize each one of those sections, and finally, combine those summaries to get the answer. It's just a fundamentally smarter way to work. Okay, smarter plans sound great and all, but do they actually give us better answers? Well, this is where it gets really exciting, because the data, it really does speak for itself. And here's the headline number. The plans that DocETL automatically comes up with can be up to 80% more accurate than the plans that even human experts would write. That's not just a little better, that is a massive, massive leap.
Let's get specific. When analyzing a complex legal contract, the standard way of doing things had an accuracy score of about 0.39 and was just making stuff up over 7% of the time. The DocETL plan? It boosted that accuracy way up and, get this, the hallucination rate dropped to 0. 0! It completely stopped fabricating information.
And this thing is not a one-trick pony.
In a totally different task, trying to analyze game reviews and put them in the right order, DocETL's plan improved the AI's ability to understand time and sequence by over 34%. So it's not just better at finding facts, it's actually better at reasoning.
And this isn't just for a couple of niche problems. This approach is working across a huge range of areas. We're talking law, science, customer support. It's even been used to analyze these incredibly complex forensic psychiatry records from back in the 1970s. It's just that versatile.
So let's just zoom out for a second and think about the future of AI analysis, because this is about so much more than just one cool piece of tech. This really matters for pretty much everyone. And you don't just have to take my word for it. Here's a quote from a CEO of a security company that's already using the system. He said, "DocETL is simply amazing. It simplifies what would otherwise be a painful document processing pipeline." That's real-world impact right there. What we're seeing here isn't just one new tool. It's a fundamental shift in how we work with AI. We're moving away from AI that's just kind of good at simple things towards an AI that we can actually start to make reliable and trustworthy enough for the really critical, messy, high-stakes problems that actually matter in the world. And that leaves us with a pretty fascinating question to think about, doesn't it? If an AI can now automatically get better at making its own plans, what kind of complex problems, the ones we thought were impossible for machines, can we finally start to solve?